Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? Welcome back to our videos. So today is Friday the 3rd of April. Today is the last day of the week and today you're going to have 3 lessons, okay? So the first one you're going to have is a math lesson. After that you're going to have a geography lesson, and then at the end of the day you're going to have an English lesson. And in that English lesson, we're also going to talk about your show and tells, and we're going to talk about some very special project that the whole school is going to do together. Okay, but that is for later. For right now, we are first going to focus on our math lesson, okay? So what we're going to do today is this. When I saw you on Tuesday, when we had our first Zoom lesson, we talked about number bonds, yes? So different ways to come to make number 10, to have 10 of something. Now, I think that whatever we do, if we really want to learn it, it's very important to use it, yes, to repeat it, to use it, because that is the only way that we actually learn something, okay? Just listening about it once is not enough. We need to, get our hands on it. So the first thing you're going to actually do today is I've sent you, me and Miss Stephanie sent you a worksheet which has a lot of 10 frames. It looks something like this. Let me just show you. Okay. And I copied the first one on the board. So what is this all about? If you remember, every 10 frame, as the name says, has 10 of these frames, 10 squares, yes? So if you cover a few of them, okay, and you have, I don't know, let's see here. I covered how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I covered 6, yes? I covered 6, and I have some which are empty. But we know that all together we have 10 frames here, okay? So 6 covered, some number, we don't know right now how many, which are not covered, but all together there are 10 frames, yes? So let's see how many we are missing. 2, 4. Let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this says that 6 plus 4 equals 10. So what is your task? You're going to have here, I think, 8, 10 frames, okay? Some of them, all of them have a few fields covered, and the rest are empty. So you need to cover how many are covered, you need to count how many are covered, how many are empty, and write that down. And in total, you will always have 10. So just to give you one more example on this card, so let me just take one of my cards, okay? So here we have number 9. That tells us that here we have 9 covered frames, okay? How many do we need to get to 10? We have 9 plus, how many empty? 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10, okay? Let's take a look at another one. Number 2, yes, we have 2 covered and the rest are not. So how many do we need to add to number 2 to get to 10? We just count the uncovered ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8 equals 10, okay? So this is how we get to number 10 bonds, number 10 pairs, okay? It's very important to practice this, because the more you practice, the better you're going to remember. Now, practicing can be looking, writing, counting different things you have at your home, but also to help you sometimes, or at least what helps me, is listening to music, okay? So on Tuesday, I tried to play a song for you. It didn't really work. You couldn't hear it well. I sent the video for you to watch it at home, but I really love this song, and I'm going to play it now once here for you. If you know it already, sing along. If not, learn it. It's a fun song, okay? So let's hear it. 1 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 3 and 7.
6. 5 and 5. 4 and 6. 5 and 5. 4 and 6. 5 and 5. 3 and 7. We're number pairs that make 10. Number pairs that make 10. For more songs, games, and original stories.
And let's hear one more time. So you will notice
1 and 9. 2.
that it says 1 and 9, 2 and 8. But later, it doesn't say 9 and 1, 8 and 2. Why? Because we mentioned already a few times, when you have addition, when you have a plus, it doesn't matter which number is first and which number comes second. Okay? The result is the same when we're talking about addition. Okay? So 6 plus 4 is 10, but also 4 plus 6 would be 10. Okay? So pay attention how the pairs don't repeat here.
1 and 9.
1 and 8.
1 and 9.
2 and 8.
1 and 9.
2 and 8. 3 and 7. Number pairs that make 10. Number pairs that make 10.
4 and 6.
5 and 5.
4 and 6.